I'm Sebastian. Today I'm going to be showing you a restoration project here in Meina, the town of Meina, which is on Lago Maggiore. You can actually see the lake from here. This house is very close to the Homes Real Estate team, close to our hearts. We love it a lot, and the house just needs a little bit of love too. The house has a brand new roof. It's actually a new structure, which makes it really easy to renovate because you don't have to worry about historical regulations. 350 square meters inside, living space. 4,000 square meters of garden on a slight incline. The garden would actually make a great vineyard, great private pool area, maybe a farmhouse table down for dinners in the hot summer nights when it does get hot here. Let's take a look inside. We've got 3 levels, starting with the Cantina, which is where we're going to enter. And then inside the house, we have 3 bathrooms, 6 bedrooms. One of my favorite things about this house is how spacious as it is. As an American, I'm used to really large, spacious houses. And in Italy, houses a lot of the time have very slender, very beautiful frames, but slender doorways, slender rooms. And this house is large, vaulted ceilings, big, large doorways, no problem for me to walk through. So this room we just passed is the first bathroom. Another entrance to the house. And again, beautiful brick arches on the doorways and frames. One of my favorite features of the house. Like this is a kitchen space. At least has kitchen capabilities. One of my other favorite features of the house is that you have next to no neighbors. There is a small horse stall down below your land, but that's really aesthetically pretty pleasing anyways. When you look out your windows, you see rose bushes, greenery. There are no neighbors on either side of you or in front of you. one of my favorite rooms of the whole house. Beautifully vaulted ceiling. You can really see the new wood of the roof, newly stained and cut. Actually, a couple of the horses out there right now. Although one of them is white, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. This is the bathroom on the second story with a beautiful view. Floor to ceiling, door frame with a small seating area or possibly a small terrace for plants. Super interesting open structure. I just love the way that the house was built. And the highest view from the house. Again, one of my favorite things is you have no neighbors, so all you really hear is birds if you're quiet. so much for joining us. And I want to thank Homes Real Estate for letting us show this property and our listing agent, Silvia Mazzocchi. And we'll see you next time.